It is midday. It is time to go into the kitchen. Today we want to show you a recipe for crab cakes, but with a taste from the Far East.
It adds a little spice to your meal, but it's easy to make and will leave your family asking for more. Chef Brad Scott is in the kitchen with Vietnamese crab cakes.
Welcome to the kitchens of Scott Community College. I'm Chef Brad Scott, and the Vietnamese are known for their banh, which essentially means bread. So what we're going to do today is we're going to upscale that a little bit with some spicy crab cakes. Let's get started. I've got about 2 pounds of crab meat, both lump and white crab. I'm going to add to my bowl. This is a very spicy dish. So here I have some jalapeno, some onion, some parsley, and some cilantro, and some ginger, all going into the pot. I also have some basil that I'm going to tear up, and some mint. So you know this is going to be loaded with flavor. We're going to add about a teaspoon of fish sauce and about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Just to bind it together a little bit, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 egg. Then about a half a cup of breadcrumbs, thus the gloves, up close and personal. We're going to make a nice little batter. Good mixing technique here. Now, ideally, we want this to rest for about 5 minutes. A little more. So I'm going to make little balls here, and I'm going to rub this right into the Panko crumb. I've got about a half a cup of Mazola corn oil in my fry pan getting hot. And there's our sizzle. You can form these right before they go in as well. So, and number 3. Now, about 3 minutes aside. Let's give them a flip. Oh, nice and golden brown. Let's get our bread ready. I've got croissants here. You can use any kind, but I thought with it being crab, we'd go upscale a little bit with the croissant. I'm going to put a little mayo on it, and we're ready. All right, these are looking beautiful, looking nice. I like to serve this with some thinly sliced cucumber, some thinly sliced tomato, a little spinach. I'm going to add some sopa noodles, Vietnamese crab cake banh. Enjoy.